Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to make origami heart with the message. We can fold 4 hearts by cutting a square into 4 equal strips. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be cutting into 4 strips. Fold the paper into half and cut it. Then cut those paper into half again. Now we'll be having 4 strips and we can create 4 such hearts. Fold the paper into half. Open the paper and bring 2 sides to the center crease. Now we can see 4 squares here. Bring the last square to the center crease. Then make a new crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now our model will look like this. Bring this last square to the previous crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Turn the paper and in this corner create a triangle. Repeat the same thing on all 4 sides. Now you can create a mark on these lines where the triangle ends on the both sides. It will help you in the next step. Now open the triangles and fold as demonstrated. Turn the model and fold this square into half. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Turn the model once again and create a diagonal fold by creating a sharp tip here. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. On the top, fold 2 triangles as demonstrated. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Make a small fold here to create a curve shape to the heart on the both sides. Then turn the paper and you can see this white portion. You can fold it down and bring this line to the center crease. And press firmly and make a new crease in the bottom. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. You can write the message over here. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.